Hello, hello, hello. It is Kim Brown. It is day 00 of our Mary Kay seminar. And what does that mean to me? That means that I get to go pick up my badge and I get to find out all of the special things that I'm invited to because of the accomplishments of what I finished at the end of our year. Last night when I got in here, we had this fabulous thing. It is Movie and a Lawn. It was so cool. Everybody was down here in the grass. And then you can see the Exchange right here, which has some fabulous restaurants in it. We went to a really, really, really good restaurant and had dinner and then watched some of The Incredibles were on, and many of you may or may not know that that is my future name for my future unit, Kimm's Incredibles. And the Incredible unit is made up of incredible women, and we are all individual and different in our own way. Mary finally arrived here at 3:30 this morning, but thank God she was here, so I'm gonna go say hey to her. And ladies, I'm gonna keep you going, keep things going, and let you see and kind of enjoy what we get to do and why seminar is so important. I realize it is not all about the bling. Most of it is about the customers. Because of our customers and my consultants, we get to enjoy the luxuries of what Mary Kay can offer you if you choose to accept it. So, I will be back. You have a fabulous day. We'll see you later. So when we get to go through the expo, one of our favorite things is to see the new products that are to be coming out for fall, Christmas, around Halloween, and then in January. So some of these items are available in September. Some of them are going to talk about a awesome contest with our new fall palette. Some of the men's products. There's a beard product. This is our new fall palette. These colors are just gorgeous. There are endless possibilities with these 6 choices of colors. And then we get to possibly earn trips. One of my favorite things is to see the new trips that's coming out. This year it's going to be Barcelona. So as a director, you have the opportunity to create a team that is working their business and working with me. So these are going to be for Christmas time. And we're bringing back that beautiful pomegranate hand set along with some fabulous lip colors. And then we have the Silky perfume is coming up. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It smells like citrus and it has a magnolia. It is beautiful. And then there's a free gift. So this may sound crazy, but every other year we get to go through the Mary Kay corporate office, which has our museum. It has the offices of the CEOs and the different areas in the business. And so we get to go up and see some of that. And this is our walkthrough when we're greeted at the very beginning. I'm there with Kimberly Watkins and Angeline Schwartz, and we are enjoying this. It's been a few years since I've been in here, and this is our Silver Wings program. They have had so many people go through the Silver Wings program. So just all the names. My favorite thing when we walk through here is to see the history of this company. This company began in September 13th of 1963 when Mary Kay Ash just had this dream. She created a company for women to be in business, to make their life better, to use it for extra money, Many reasons, many reasons. So we're just going to walk through. Right now I'm just kind of taking and showing you what the building is. It's a very unique building. It's very well lit. I was noticing when we were in the bus how smart it was when they designed it. So everybody has light. And that was one of the things when I worked in an office. I didn't have windows. I didn't have lights and incoming lights, and it was a very depressing. So this is showing all the countries we're in, and that's what the map is up there for. Those two there's actually 3 boards. And then here's the pink shovels from when they first started this place, and then here's Richard, her son. This is the 13th floor, they call it, and we're greeted by the women and people who take and assist the different people. We're getting a little bit of background, a little history. This is Mary Kay Ash's office. You always get a picture taken there. There's a gentleman just sit there all day long taking photos with your cameras. It's a very beauty luxurious room. This will tell you a little bit about each one of the assistants. And Nathan Moore, what all he does for the company if you aren't already familiar with him. Then we get to go into the actual seminar. These are different days, different events. We have night parties. We have rewards. This was my special dinner on our Mary Kay National Go Give. This was our party that we had. And then it was me with my girlfriend, Angeline. We are just having fun, enjoying. And then the last night we're there, it's getting to be stage call. They call my name. This was for Queen's Court of Personal Sales. I was cross stage. This is afterwards. It was so princess. I felt like a princess. I have to pardon the pink. That's the colors that they've got up there. And now we get to go get whatever our gift was. Mine was, I chose the ring. It's a beautiful rose quartz ring. I absolutely love it. They make you sign. They give you all kinds of information. You have your little appraisal so that you know how much to insure it for. And Kimberly Watkins followed me back there, and she just did all these photos and videos. It was awesome. I thank her so much for this. This was the first time I've earned a ring in a few years, and loved my dress. It was so comfortable. I like to wear big, fluffy dresses, but this time it was just really simple. Be you, be who you are, and enjoy being you.